Going on YouTube? It's your boy EB here, back with another video. I actually wanted to get your opinion, your input on something. I spoke to a close friend of mine. He's a personal trainer, and I asked him, how do you know when you graduate from being a beginner to an intermediate lifter? And he told me you don't. You pretty much go from beginner to advanced beginner before you even reach intermediate. He told me this is a marathon, not a sprint, which I totally agree with him. I respect his opinion. Um, he gave me this checklist that you see in front of you, and I was wondering if you guys, feel there's anything missing from this checklist. Let me know. I will add to it. Tell me what you think. It's 315 bench press for 1 rep, 315 squat for 3 reps, 315 deadlift for 3 reps, 135 overhead press for at least 8 reps, 135 curl, 1 rep, 225 bent over row for 5 reps, and 225 close grip bench press for 5 reps. So again, if you guys feel there's anything missing from this, let me know. I will make videos on everything as I go along.